Hello YouTube. Today we're going to figure out what light bulb is blown on this dash and how to get into it. I'll show you what I've got. See these park, reverse, neutral, drive, second and low? Well, the drive light has stopped working. I can show you with the keys on. That's park, reverse, neutral, drive doesn't work anymore. Second and then low. So I got to figure out how to take this dash piece out and see which light bulb is in there so I can replace it. We're going to find out how to do that. Okay, first I'm going to take out these screws right here and remove this piece before I can get to this piece right here. I've also taken that out too. I don't know whether this is just clipped in or whether it's got screws underneath here that hold the bottom piece in and then that piece comes out. So I'll be finding out with you. That comes out pretty easily. I'm just going to let that drop down. You can see what I've got now. So these clips right here and here actually go into this piece right here. And on this side, it's the same kind of thing. They actually go, this piece here that goes around the gear shifter clips into there. So I'll take that out. And I can put these clips on later. Keep those. Now will this come out? Maybe I'll put the steering wheel down. So if you've got a tilt, I think everything's got a tilt like this. Put the steering down like that. And then just pull it. Yep, there we go. And that looks like it's clipped in as well. Same kind of clips, but no screws. And then pull that up. And you're gonna have to start undoing all the little connections. So these just push in and you pull it down. Or maybe not. Maybe I can just spin it around. I don't know. And get to what I need to get to. Okay, so basically after you've unconnected all those wires, there's 4 in total and then there's 2 clips. Then you can get this piece out completely. I can clean that up, that's dirty. But as far as the light bulbs go, I don't know, this looks like it's all one circuit board. I might be able to unscrew these and see whether I can get to that light bulb that I need to. I might take it inside for this part. Okay, see, I've pulled this piece of the dash out and I've got it in my house now looking at what I need to get to. I can see these are park, reverse, neutral, drive, second, and low. So there's actually 6 here. And then if I flip it over to the back, It's all a big printed circuit board, and I know that this one is the one that's out. So I'm going to take my screwdriver with the small, it's a flat blade screwdriver with the small tip, I'm going to stick it in here, turn it, and it gets loose, and then I'm going to pull it out with my fingers, and it's a really small bulb. It looks black, so I'm pretty sure that it's burnt out. I'm going to go to my local parts store, Repco, Super Cheap Auto, I don't know which one yet, but I'm going to try and find this bulb and see what I can replace it. If not, I'm going to have to go to Toyota to get it, and who knows how much they're going to charge, but I'll let you know. Okay, so I can tell you right now that the auto parts stores like Super Cheap Auto, Repco here in Australia, they do not have these bulbs. I had to go to Toyota to get one, and they were $6.25 each for one. So I just got the one that was burnt out right now. They're pretty easy to get. They had them within a day. And I'm going to put this one back in here, back in the socket. Try not to touch the actual bulb itself, just hold it from the base. And then they're like a socket. You just put your screwdriver in and twist it, and they're in. They're like a socket. You just twist it with your screwdriver and it clicks and it's in. And then that's what it should look like when they're all in. You're gonna hook all these electrical cords back into this thing. That's one. That's two. It's gonna be harder. That's three. And I pushed it through. Put it back in. And that's four. Put it all back in. And I'll line up this air vent. And line up all the holes. And start pushing it in. That's better. And you just push that in until it all clips down. It's going to be flat all the way around. And at this point, this little rubber pad that lines up with that, and then this little push pin went in there, or pin went in there. I don't know whether you can see that. Goes in there like that, and then this goes into that. Hopefully you can see that. There we go. And then that's on the back, clipped in the back. So that piece is there. Then you've got your bottom piece. Put here. This piece comes up. I'll take the keys out and then start it lining up at the top of that and the bottom of that. Just push it in. There we go. There we go. Now this side. And here, you just push that in. And now you gotta put those 2 screws that you took out originally, put those back in. And I also have this cap that went right here. Push that in too. It goes the other way. There you go. So we'll put those screws in. And then that's it. Now we'll check it again. And we've got it all back together. Make sure all these lights coming on too, that you have all these lights. And it's still in park. Reverse, neutral, drive, we got it. $271,437. Like, subscribe, comment down below.